Happy VLOGMAS! Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, November the 20th, the 30th. Lord have mercy. And we are doing a maintenance vlog. This is going to be a maintenance vlog, but I'm not going to post this. You won't be seeing this until December the 2nd. A part of my VLOGMAS. I'm going to try to do as much as I can. So this is going to be a maintenance vlog. It's going to be toes, nails, and lashes. I want to go get some individual clusters just to put some on to wisp it out some. But it's going to take y'all along for the maintenance vlog. So let's go. Y'all, so this is the water. Alright, y'all, so this is the water that I have for my feet. I'm going to have them soaking in there while I start to drill off my polish on my nails so we can cut the time, okay? Working smarter, not harder. So let's get to it. So my toes have been cleaned. They are ready to be polished. I'm not putting any acrylic on my toes. I really just did that mainly to build more structure and to let my nails grow out to be the shape I wanted them to be when I do my toes. But they're pretty much good for now. So I really want to do a burgundy. So I'm going to probably look and see how to mix some colors because I don't have burgundy. And I'm probably going to mix them to achieve the color I want. I usually like to match my nails with my hands. I have not done my nails yet, but I just took the polish off. I had like this nude acrylic on there. I'm going to do it again. Not really interested in doing a full set. So we're going to fill this in, reshape these a little bit better, and do those. But for now, we're going to work on the feet. I'm going to do burgundy. So let me mix some colors and see which one gets me the best so we can paint these toes. All right, y'all, so my toes are done after 30 years. I just decided to go with red, especially for the holidays. So now to my nails, clean them up and fill them out. Thank you. Okay. All right, so let's get started with the nails. I'm going to go in with my primer and my bonding gel. I'm going to be using the acrylic by Color Blend, and this is in the shade Dark Ivory. I have so many videos of my nails on my channel, so I'm not going to record me doing my nails. So I'll just show you guys when I'm finished with the acrylic application.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!